In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to etrade account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to add money into your etrade account so you can use it for any of the features available on its service, then you will be able to do this by either going over to the website, as I'm going to be demonstrating in this video, or to the mobile app, whatever you prefer. In order to fund your account, use the transfer money option. So choose transfer at the top of the screen and then transfer money. You will be redirected to this page where you can input all of the details about your transfer. So to fund your account, you will have to choose from which account you are transferring the money from. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to add an external account. So you will be able to add an external bank account to fund your internal bank account, aka your etrade account. So if you still need to add a new account here, choose on the option Transfer From, and immediately upon choosing it, you will see external funding accounts. If you don't have a single one, then it is going to say Add Account. Choose this option, and immediately upon selecting Add Account, you will be redirected into this page where you can choose from any of these frequently used banks. So for example, Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and so on. Choose the corresponding one that you use as your banking service, and if you don't see it here on the list, then you can use the search function. If it still does not appear, then you can choose Manually Add My Account. When you choose any of these services, you will have to sign in with your credentials for that bank. If you chose to manually add your account, then you might have to include other details such as a debit card or information like your account number and so on. Once the account has been successfully added and you see this message, you can either manage all of your external funding accounts or choose the option to transfer money. If you select transfer money, you will be taken back to that original page. Now you can choose the external funding account that you will be using to add money into etrade. And then on transfer to, you can choose the internal account, aka etrade itself. And you can fund this account with money from the other one. Afterwards, choose the frequency, input the specific amount, and make the deposit. I hope I was able to help you on how to add money to etrade account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.